Hello and welcome to this video. If you're looking for a way to learn how you can package your knowledge and sell it online as a digital product, this is a video you should watch to the end. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that can help you make money online and grow your business. So if this is your first time of coming on to this channel, I want to say welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you where you can actually learn how to package your knowledge as an ebook and sell it online and make a lot of money for yourself. Okay, before I go into that video and show you how to do it, before I go into the video, I want you to kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Why you're doing that is because when I put out another video, you will be notified that I have published a new video. That's why you need to like this video and subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell when you subscribe. Now, before I go ahead and show you where you can learn how to package your knowledge and sell as a digital product, most especially as an ebook, let me just take a few moments to let you know that you can actually make a lot of money from selling your knowledge on the internet. This is a business you can do even if you don't have physical cash. Okay, if you don't have money in the bank, you can actually learn this and actually implement this and make money for yourself without having to rent a shop. Okay, this is a business you can do from the comfort of your home. You can do this business even if you don't have a laptop. Now, before I show you how and where you are going to learn all of this, look at the screenshot on your screen. This is a screenshot of money that was paid to my account for sharing, teaching people how to do stuff, for selling my knowledge online. I didn't have to travel out. I didn't have a laptop as at the time this money came in. Okay, I didn't have to build a website. I didn't have to do all of that. All I did was to learn the skill of how to package my knowledge and sell it online. So quickly, let me just take you to where you can get the best program. Okay, the best program that will show you how to package your knowledge and sell it online as an ebook and make money from it. The beautiful thing about this kind of business is that you do not have to know all of it. You don't even have to be a writer to make money from this business. You can get paid in dollars. Okay, you can get paid in dollars. Very, very easy to start. So without saying much, let me just take you into my phone and show you how this works. So quickly, I'll just go straight to my Google Chrome. I'll go straight to my Google Chrome and just come here, and I'm going to just go into seller. All right, I'm going to go into seller, and then I'm going to show you this. Please follow me. Okay, let me just show you the course, the program. All right, it is titled Ebook Mastery Course. Okay, Ebook Mastery Course for beginners. You can see the price there. Now, what are you going to be getting if you get this program? If you get this program, you're going to be learning mapping and research for your ebook. A lot of people want to create ebooks. They don't know the title, they don't know how to do research, they don't know how they can actually create that ebook. What title of book should you be creating? What is the picture you should be using? How do you know if this is the topic that is going to sell? How do you know if this is the niche? Okay, you need to understand mapping before you go ahead and create your ebook. Otherwise, you will create an ebook that nobody is interested in buying. That is why it is important for you to understand mapping and research for your ebook. Now, if you get this ebook mastery course, you're going to see practically how I do mapping and research, how I find out where my clients are, how I find out the people that are willing to buy my products. Are you seeing now? If you get this, you're going to be learning about that. The second thing you're going to learn is how to create your ebook in 10 minutes. I talked about it. I showed you how you can quickly create an ebook in 10 minutes. Now, the good thing is, after you have been able to learn mapping, after you've mapped out your products, after you've done research, it will make it easier for you to be able to create your ebooks. And that's why I put that there, how to create your ebook in 10 minutes. And then after you finish creating the ebook, the next thing to do is for your ebook is for you to create your ebook cover. Okay, you need a very professional looking cover. All right, inside the ebook mastery course, I showed how you can actually design a beautiful cover for your ebook, and I showed you how you can create the 3D mockup. You do not have to be a professional to do this. Once you get it, you're going to see how I make it easy for you to learn how to do this. Okay, very easy. You can learn it in less than an hour, and you can start doing it for yourself. Okay, the next thing you're going to learn inside the ebook mastery course is how to host your ebook online. A lot of people are thinking that they need to have a website before they can make money from selling ebooks online. You do not have to create a website. You don't need to be a techie person to sell your ebook. You don't need to know about technology to host your ebook online. Inside this ebook mastery course, I have made it easy for you to learn how you can host your ebook online and get people to come and buy. Okay, I also talked about a funnel. Okay, I talked about funnel, and that funnel, when you get the course, you're going to see that I talked about how to create landing pages. Okay, how to create landing pages. So even if you don't know how to create landing pages, you can get this ebook mastery course and learn how to create landing pages. Okay, beautiful side of this is you can do landing pages with your smartphone. Okay, you do not need a laptop to do that. You can learn the skill of landing pages. Even if you decide that you don't want to be creating your ebook, you can be doing landing pages for business owners and be making a lot of money for yourself. Can you see that? If you're getting value from this, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I am doing on this channel. Okay, apart from just how to create landing pages, you're going to learn how to attract customers to your WhatsApp. Okay, you're going to learn the secret, how we do it. You're going to learn that, how to attract customers to your WhatsApp. Okay, and WhatsApp is a very good platform for you to sell your product, because when people can connect with you on WhatsApp, it's more personal. Are you getting that now? So you're going to be learning that. And the next thing you're going to learn is how to run Facebook ads with your smartphone. Okay, I talked about that. I showed you how to do Facebook ads with your smartphone, because by the time you're through with creating your ebooks, you will need to learn how to market it. Okay, you will need to market it to people so that people can see your product, because the more people see your product, the more likely you're going to get sales. And that's why it's very important to include marketing in your work. Okay, that's why I talked about how to run Facebook ads with your smartphone. Now, apart from all of these things, you're still going to be getting bonuses, hot bonuses for you. I still included um, how to run ads on Google, and a few other important things that you need to know when it comes to selling your ebook online. Now, remember, I told you, you don't have to be a techie person to do this. You don't have to be a writer to do this. Okay, in fact, there are platforms where you can actually download books for free, edit them, and resell them without anybody coming to fight you. Okay, without anybody coming to fight you. I also talked about all of that. So there's a whole lot you can get inside this ebook mastery course. If you're looking for how to start selling your knowledge, how to package your knowledge, whether you know how to do cakes, whether you know how to do soaps, whether you can produce liquid soaps, whether you can do event planning, or maybe you know about real estate, or you know how to teach people how to do stuffs, don't let your knowledge go to waste. You can sell it online and make money for yourself. Okay, that is the ebook mastery course for you. So it only costs 5,200 naira. All right, 5,200 naira. In dollars it is about $5 or thereabouts. Okay, so all you need to do to get this is just to come to this buy now button, click it once, and once you click it once, make sure you fill in your information correctly, your name, your email, your phone number, and you click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, it's going to ask you to it's going to take you to another form. Okay, let's fill this now. Let's just fill this. So you see what's going to show you 378588814. And once you click on that and you click on pay now, it's going to generate this other page for you. Let's wait for it to load. It's going to generate this page for you, asking you to pay either with your card, or pay with transfer, or pay with your bank, or pay with USSD, or pay with Visa QR. The best option for you is to pay with your card. Okay, very easy. So this is how to access the best ebook mastery program for yourself. Okay, you can see all of this. I just wanted to show you this program. Okay, so if you want to learn how to sell your knowledge online, don't hesitate. Okay, don't hesitate. This program is very rich. All right, and you can always reach out to me if you have questions on this. If you have any question pertaining to this, go to the comment section and drop it there. All right, I'm going to drop the link also in my description section, so do well to check it so that you can click it and get through to this page. All right, so that is all I'm going to take for this video right now. If you got value from this, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you will always be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.